my channel. I'm Rachel, the owner and creator here at the Eclectic Cottage in Spokane, Washington. Today is Wednesday and I'm so happy to report, you guys, that I'm finally over the stupid cold that I've been struggling with the past couple of weeks. It's been kind of zapping my energy, and my husband and I are finally kind of getting settled into our new house and our new routine, so things are kind of calming down a little on the home front. And so I'm really looking forward to having more time and more energy to actually spend back here in my kitchen again. So be looking forward to some more thrift flips. I'm going to be working on a couple pieces of furniture, and things are going to hopefully get back to some sense of normalcy, you guys. So I'm looking forward to that. We did get out on a little junk run on Sunday, so I've got a thrift haul for you guys for today, and I'm excited to show you the few things that we did get. So I'm just gonna get started. So I grabbed this little pumpkin. Of course, I'm always looking for anything fall, Easter, Christmas all year long. So I grabbed this. It'll have to go in my stash till next year, but that's okay. It was only $2.99, so I nabbed that. And then I got this cute little milk glass creamer. I just thought it was pretty. I have some other milk glass. I just like having it set around in my displays, and it was only $1.99, so I grabbed it. This I thought was just adorable. This is a little itty bitty brass candle holder. It takes the teeny weeny little pillar or taper holder or taper candles, and it was $1.99, but I just thought it was sweet. I'll put it either in one of my displays. Told my husband I'm almost tempted to take it home and put it in my house somewhere. Anyway, I got this little bird. This guy was 99 cents. Just a little tea light holder. I will probably paint this just because it's that bisque kind of raw finish, and it's very dirty. I don't know that I'm going to be able to get it really super clean, so it might just get a paint job. Maybe I'll make it gold. We'll see, for a little Christmas something. I got this. I just thought it was kind of cool. It was $3.99. It's very, very heavy. I thought this would be such a great little plant riser in a display, or I can just put it in with my spring displays and put some cute little pots or some birds or something on it. So $3.99, I went ahead and grabbed it. Then I found this apothecary jar. I didn't Google Lens it, but I believe it's Princess House. You guys can tell me for sure. I'm sure one of you knows, but it was just pretty. It's got some water spots on it. I'm hoping I can get those washed off. And then the lid, it's in great shape, and it was only 99 cents. So I got that. And then I grabbed this cute little candle holder. I like little metal taper holders like these. This one was $2.99. I like to be able to stick these in my displays just for color, because sometimes I have a lot of very neutral pictures and that kind of stuff, and it's nice to have something to bounce off those. So I grabbed that. I did grab a couple of these. They had 4 of them, and not all of them were in great shape, but they're really heavy metal stocking holders. And so I grabbed one in gold and then one in silver, and these guys were only $2.99. I don't know if I'm going to really do anything to these. They're in pretty darn decent shape just as they are. So other than wash them, I might just go ahead and put them out just the way they are. And then I found this really cute metal chicken. He's just really fun little rooster. And so I grabbed him. He was a little on the high side. He was $6, $5.99. But I just sold a pair of chicken themed canisters that I had on my shelf, and I needed something chickeny to replace them. So this is what is going to be in their place on the shelf. I grabbed this little pot. Pretty sure it's an orchid pot. It was $1.99. Love the color. I love the shape of it. It's just really pretty and neutral, so I grabbed that. I grabbed this little wild-eyed bunny. It will definitely get a paint job, and I will cover over the eyes because I'm sorry, but they seem wide to me and they just don't do it for me. So I will probably paint them over and just blend them in. But I thought it was cute, and it was a half price item, so it was $1.50. So I grabbed that. I grabbed this beautiful gold hurricane. This was originally from Kohl's for $29.99. I picked it up for $4.99. It looked to me to be in pretty good shape. I don't think there's any chips or anything in it. And this will be great. I'm just going to wash this and put it right out in my Christmas displays. And then I got these three. The two smaller ones were only $3.99 each. They're beautiful. Definitely very fall, so I will probably put these away until next August or September. And then this one was $4.99. But I just couldn't pass them up. They're just beautiful, and they will look stunning in a fall display. So I grabbed those. Then I grabbed some baskets. I've been looking for inexpensive baskets. I like to do little gift baskets with some of the items that I have here in the shop for Christmas gifts. And these were, again, a half price item. So I got the two of them for 99 cents. So basically 50 cents a basket, which is perfect as a kind of a freebie to add in with a Christmas present. So I grabbed those. And then this was another half price item. It is super heavy, you guys. I think it's pine. It's just a cute little drawer. These all move pretty well. These are MDF on the inside, but the outside drawer fronts are solid. This would be so cute in a craft room to hold some of your paints or paintbrushes or pens or whatever. Just a fun little opportunity, I guess, to make something pretty for somebody to put in their, gosh, wherever they want to put it, their bedroom for jewelry, whatever. So I grabbed that, and it was only, since it was a pink tag, it was $3. So I can hardly wait to actually paint it and do something fun with it. So that is basically it, except for the tables. I got these guys. I'm not going to try and lift this. These things are heavy. These are solid wood. They were $14.99 for two of them. So I got a set of two. This one is really wiggly, but it's held together with wing nuts underneath. So all I need to do is take a pair of pliers and just tighten up those wing nuts really well. These I'm actually going to get started on today, and these are going to be my video for Saturday. So if you want to see what these end up looking like when I'm done with them, come see me back here on Saturday. Anyway, I think that is it for today's video, you guys. I really appreciate you being here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. I so appreciate that. And if you haven't already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and then just hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. And then don't forget to comment below and let me know if you had a favorite in my haul today. Again, for Saturday, I'm going to be working on these tables, so I hope to see you back here for that. Just a quick reminder too, I carry a full line of DIY paint and products here at the cottage, including DIY paint and products, Sweet Pickins milk paint and products, Roycycled decoupage papers, as well as some redesign with Prima. So if you're in need of anything, please check those out on my website, and that's www.theeclecticcottagespokane.com. I so appreciate your orders. Anyway, again, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your week and beginning of the weekend, and I will see you back here on Saturday. Thanks for being here. Bye.